Today we're going to draw two characters from Star Wars.
Are we going to Vader and Leia?
We're going to draw Princess Leia and Luke Skywalker. Okay, so first we're going to start with her name. She is Princess Leia, so we're going to spell her name Leia, okay? L-E...
Should we do Princess Leia?
I... No, it's too long. A. So Leia, okay?
Leia. That's a very short name.
It's 4 letters. So we're going to start with her head.
Head.
And what we're going to do, we're going to start with her eyes. So we're going to draw over here on the right an oval. Okay. To the left, we're going to draw another one, smaller. Okay. And near the left is her nose, below the eye. And then we're going to draw one line for her mouth. Okay, from here, we'll draw her hair. Okay, her hair is very big. So from here, above the nose, we're going to do a curve down here this way. And then from here, we're going to go down this way. Okay. So you can go lower and then stop earlier. So stop next to the eye here, okay? Okay. So here, she has her hair tied in a bun. So it's a wheel shape. Watch this, please. Okay, it's a wheel shape. Okay, and there's a smaller circle to the right in the middle. To the right in the middle.
I drew her eyeball and her hair.
Okay. And then we're gonna draw from the top of this circle. We're gonna go back to here. Okay, we're going to the middle of her head. It's rounded. And it's going to come back around and connect here. So what's happening with your hair is you went past. You don't go past that part. So you're going to go ahead and look at my picture and draw again. Okay. And we're going to draw her face here. Connect that. Her hair, her other bun is here. Here is the middle of her hair, okay? And then we'll draw, here's her shirt. And then we'll draw her arm here. The other side of her arm. Her hand. She has a belt here. This is a V shape. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the rest of her dress here. 2 feet. Foot is sticking out. And then we'll draw her other arm. Hey, it's Princess Leia. Okay.
Give me Leia.
Now we're going to draw Luke Skywalker. So spell his name first.
Luke. Luke. Skywalker. Are we doing Skywalker?
L-U-K-E. Okay.
Luke Skywalker. Are we doing Skywalker?
No. We're going to draw his hair first. Okay? So we're going to start from the middle here. I'm gonna draw a curve down here. I'm gonna draw a curve down here. Okay, we're gonna draw the side of his hair. It's kind of spiky here. Spiky, another triangle. And then we're gonna draw one more triangle here to the right. And one more triangle here. Look at how I'm drawing the triangle. I'm drawing one line. I'm stopping, and I'm drawing another line here. So I'm drawing one line, but I don't continue there. I draw the other side. And then there's another spike here. We're going to draw his face. It comes down the second spike here. And then we're going to go up, connect to the back. Okay, here's his ear. We'll draw his eyes. So he's got one eye here in the middle. It's covered by his hair. And then we're going to draw another one here. Smaller. And we'll do his nose. And then we'll do a smile here. Small smile. And now we're going to draw his shirt. So we're going to do a V here. It's a V underneath his mouth. And then we're going to extend this line here to here, underneath this one. And we'll draw his arm. We're running out of room a little bit, so I'm going to draw a little bit shorter. Thumb, hand. And we're going to draw the other side of his shirt here. Draw a straight line from the V here, straight down. Yeah. And then you extend that part to connect to it. Great. And then if you look where my drawing is, this is where we're drawing the belt. Okay, to his hand. It's a rectangle. And there's a small rectangle in the middle. And then we'll draw the rest of his leg. So his shirt is very long, so we're going to draw, this is the extension of his shirt. And then his leg is here. Okay. And we'll draw his arm, and we'll add a lightsaber in the end. So I'm going to draw his arm here. And we're going to draw a lightsaber first, and then we'll do a small rectangle.
Then rectangle.
And we'll draw his hand around it, so he's holding it. Good, great.
Then we're
And the rest of the lightsaber is here. It's a long rectangle. Okay, so that's Luke and Leia. We're gonna call it that.